Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Equilibrium constant expressions are super easy once you know the secret pattern for products and reactants. Let's find the correct formula for this chemical reaction right now. Next, we must look at the coefficients in the balanced equation. These numbers become the exponents for each substance in our expression. We need to square both NOBr and NO. Finally, we combine everything into one single ratio. Since bromine has a coefficient of 1, its exponent is just 1. This leads us directly to the correct expression in option D. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to forget exponents.